What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday, 11:52, Sunday, March 17th, 2024. Just finished walking the doggies, and I got a message on our emergency service hotline. Got a customer, a new client. They got a Burnham Alpine 210. They got no heat or hot water. Let's go see what's going on.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, here for the heat?
Yes. Let me open the garage.
Okay.
Let's see if that's it. Appreciate it.
Pleasure. Red screen of death.
Yeah, right? Always.
Always when you least expect it. Blazing hot.
Yeah.
Primary loop circulator. They went a little crazy with this primary loop. Alright, electric is disconnected. Drop the circulator. Closed. Gas is off. Drained. Power's off. And she's in there tight. Nice floor, by the way.
Thank you.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, it sucks. Now we're circulating. All right, take two. We got 132 on our supply. Very slow, very slow response rate. 107 on the return. Very slow on the FLIR. Slow response rate. And let's take a look at our indirect. 167. No, 67. No, sorry. 90. And 90. 90-ish, 94. Horrible, this thing. Fleer. Very, very slow refresh rate. You're better off with an HIK Micro for $500, and it's a portable unit. Don't even need a phone for it. And a little over 30 PSI with that 50 PSI relief valve. New York City plumbers put this boiler in, and that's what you see in New York City, 50 PSI. But here on Long Island, you got 30. I wonder if they pre-charged the tank to match the constant pressure here. I wonder why the pressure's so high here, though. You don't have a big house.
It's like,
I know you got a lot of 1.25" piping here, but nothing out of the ordinary to warrants higher pressure than normal here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just finished up that service call in Lido Beach. Spent a little over an hour and 15 here. Set them up for a full maintenance service call for during the week. We'll send Daniel there. Daniel has more patience than I do when it comes to Alpines. You have to really fine tune your throttle on your gas valve to get that really refined well. So Daniel will be here on Thursday. Not bad. So that was 2 emergency service calls I went on this weekend, and set up, future jobs for the maintenance. Not bad. The emergency is resolved, and now the only urgency is doing proper maintenance on their equipment. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. You may not even known that you haven't subscribed yet, but just hit that little subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to get post notifications when I drop a video, which is usually, 5, 6, 7 times a week, hit that notification bell. And as always, thoughts, feedback, even criticism, down in the comments section down below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you head back home. Great, beautiful day here. It's 64 degrees here in Long Beach, one of the barrier islands of Long Island. Thank you again for watching. Be well, God bless, stay safe.